just go into the social media and then it is scrolling, and do you feel overwhelmed by trying to handle every aspect on your business? Because a human being is just a set of patterns and triggers. Are you a business owner? Then this video is for you. I was just thinking, what are some of the time wasters which you might also be experiencing and unaware? The number one time waster I saw was social media binging. So I want to ask you, do you lose track of your time when you just go into the social media and then it is scrolling and you don't even come to know how much time has gone there? Another question I want to ask you, how often do social media notifications disrupt your focus and productivity? Another thing I want to ask you, are you aware of the total hours you spend on social media each week instead of working on your work, on your business, on your project, on your studies? Second time waster is sleeping late for whatever reason and getting up late. So do you feel rushed and stressed because you have started your day later what you planned? How often does it, like this getting up late, impacts your ability to meet important deadlines? Is a late start making it difficult for you to establish a productive morning routine? Please answer me. Write it on the comment. I'm reading all of it. I would love to answer it. I would love to understand it. The number 3, the waster, is overthinking, being in your head, procrastinating. So do you catch yourself overthinking decisions and delaying actions that could move your work and business forward, especially the money actions? How much time do you waste by procrastinating on tasks that you know they are very important? You know that. Is over-analyzing every detail preventing you from timely progress? The 4th time waster, multitasking. Are you juggling multiple tasks at once and finding it hard to complete any of them efficiently? How often does multitasking lead to mistakes and the work to redo the work? Is switching between tasks causing you lose the focus and momentum? The 5th time waster is sitting on one task and doing it perfectly, perfectionism. Do you spend too much time perfecting one task instead of completing it and moving on to another one? How often does your pursuit of this perfection delays your project timeline? Is your obsession with getting everything perfect holding you back from achieving more? The 6th time waster, the survey shows, is doing everything on your own. So I want to ask you, do you feel overwhelmed by trying to handle every aspect on your business yourself? I want to ask you, how much time could you save by delegating tasks to your team? Another thing I want to ask you, is taking on every task on your own alone is reducing your productivity and you are experiencing a burnout? Let's check. Number 7 time waster is a lot of meetings. So let me ask you, are you spending more time in meetings than actually working on your business or whatever work it is? How often do you attend meetings that could have been resolved just with a quick call or an email? Is your calendar filled with meetings that disrupt your workflow and productivity? The number 8 time waster is micromanaging people around. So do you find yourself constantly checking on your team instead of trusting them to do their job? See, when I'm asking you a question, you are getting present to it. I want to ask you, how much time do you spend overseeing tasks and that should be handled by your people around independently? Is that your pattern? Because a human being is just a set of patterns and triggers. We have to check this also. Micromanaging of the team actually, it prohibits the strategic growth and the bonding. The 9th time waster is responding to emails or phones or messages. So do you receive constant email notifications and they distract you? How often do your work get interrupted to checking and responding to these non-urgent emails? Is managing your inbox taking a significant portion of your productive hours? Please answer. Let me know. The 10th time waster is unnecessary people networking. Are you spending too much time networking with people who don't even add value to your business? Let's review. How often do you attend networking events without even having clear goals or follow-up plans? Very important, very important. Let us just work on this. I hope this helps you. Is networking distracting you from important business events? The 11th time waster is slow working and being in low mood and low energy. So do you find yourself working in a low pace because of low energy levels? How often do you struggle to maintain a productivity throughout the day and you feel that lack of energy? Is working in low energy state preventing you from achieving goals? Especially your money goals? The 12th time waster is mixing tasks and getting confused. Yeah. So many times, the planning and the execution is actually mixed. While these are two different brain sets, the planning is like divergent and the to-do is like the convergent focus. The brain strength is different, but we don't know this. We need to learn it. Travel time also is one reason that people have seen so much time is going into traveling. Now I want to ask you, what is your reason? Where are you wasting time? Were you unaware? And now when you are working with me, now you are getting present to it. Do shower some love, like, subscribe, sharing this with your friends, because this video, I think, with a lot of research and survey, is going to help you. Doing many things at one go singly also might be not helping you. So friends, see you in the next video. Do comment which is your biggest time waster. Let me hear you. Bye bye.